Well, hello there. This is Rich from HouseBarons.com. Our family renovates houses. And today we're going to show you 4 reasons why you shouldn't cut your lawn too short, especially in the summer. Hey, if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing because we want to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money. So, this is Exhibit A, and this is exactly why you don't cut your lawn too short in the summer. Check this out. So this lawn has been scalped. I mean, it reminds me of a putting green. It's cut so short. So it's like, oh my gosh, it is cut to about an inch. When it gets cut so short like this, look at it. It is dying. It's being scorched by the sun. Okay, so this is 4th of July weekend, but I still consider that to be relatively the beginning of summer because we're in the Midwest and July and August are brutal here. It could be over 100 degrees in a stretch. Today's just like a nice warm day, and this poor lawn is in so much distress. So you want your lawn to be a nice shade of green, but when it starts turning yellow, it is distress. When it starts turning brown, now it's going dormant, and this lawn is so brown. I can't even believe that they cut it this short. So that is the primary reason you don't want to cut your lawn short during the summer. One thing that's kind of funny about somebody that's cutting their lawn this short is that inevitably they're going to go, oh man, my lawn's dying. So they're going to get the sprinklers out. Then they're going to be having this ginormous water bill because the only way to resuscitate this lawn is going to be watering the heck out of it. That's just, to me, like a waste of time and money for all the water. Well, now here's a grassy area that's being mowed at what I would consider to be the perfect height because, first off, you can see as compared to the last grass we looked at, look at how green it is. There's no signs of distress. The grass is very happy to not be scorched by the sun. Now, a second benefit of not mowing your grass too short is that when the grass is a bit taller, it can actually help choke out the weeds. And so you can see this area, it's relatively weed free, which is really awesome. Now, a third reason to not cut your lawn too short is that if you cut a lot of it off, the grass clippings can leave a lot of clumps. And that's a really unsightly look, especially after a few days when they dry up. And then you get those kind of brown streaks all through your yard. And it just looks terrible. A fourth reason not to cut your lawn too short is that it's more difficult to mow when your mower is set on such a low setting. It's just harder to push it through the grass. And so the higher you set your mower, the easier it's going to be to mow. All right, so there you have it. There's 4 reasons not to cut your lawn too short, especially during the summer. You actually can cut it shorter in the spring and the fall, and that's fine because it'll be raining a lot and your lawn will stay green. If you got anything out of the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out our channel and we appreciate it. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. Thanks very much for viewing, and we'll see you in this next video.